GORVIA products, more than it shows.
Hi friends, we meet again. Topic of this week is anti-rust lubricant, which is not only functioning in anti-rust and lubrication, but also can be moisture-proof and effectively in cleaning. This straw can conveniently reach anywhere that needs to be applied. Let's see how to do it. Before using it, remove the straw and install it. It is very simple to operate like me. Dirty packaging will affect the riding experience over time. Let's see how the lubricant works on it. Obviously, the soil is dropping, from which we could know lubricant can soften the stains without any external force. Look at this comparison, the cleaning effect is great. Let's clean the rest of the jeans so that the ride will be very smooth. Yes, it feels very smooth. Check what I found here, a rusty blade. Spray half of it to compare the effect of rust removal. Look at these little energetic bubbles, they are working. At the moment to witness the miracle, please take a cloth and wipe it. Do some stress. The effect is really great, except for the severely rusted areas. Most of the rust stains have been removed. Apply directly on the hinge of the door and wipe off exercise lubricant. It only takes a while and the original creaking door is repaired, naturally creating a quiet environment for sleeping babies and neighbors. Please note that you must shake it before use, and the nozzle should not be directed at people or animals. The longer it takes to remove rust, the better the effect. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Next video you will know about household items, cleaning gel.